How to change your email and profile information. Once logged into your back office, you have the possibility to change your profile information as well as your email linked to your account. Press Profile in the side menu and view My Profile. After redirected, press Edit Profile. Please notice that you need to provide your postcode, city, street address, and BTC address to be able to change your profile details. Once you've changed your details or email, you press Submit, and a one-time password will be sent to the email you had previously registered, not the new email you entered in case you changed your email details. After entering the one-time password, press Submit, and your profile is successfully updated.